Hi guys, this is Sunny. Let's unscramble the video.
Quaternary glaciation, which started 2.58 million years ago and is still going on today, it's an ice age that the planet is currently experiencing. The Earth has gone through cycles of glaciation during which time the ice sheets have expanded and shrunk. In many parts of the planet, including Antarctica, there are permanent snowfields, ice caps, and glaciers as proof of the current ice age. Throughout the Mesozoic era, which spanned around 252 to 66 million years ago, dinosaurs inhabited the Earth, although they were absent during the most recent ice age. The Chicxulub asteroid impact, which happened 66 million years ago, which left a massive crater in what is now Mexico and released a tremendous amount of dust and debris into the atmosphere, is thought to have been the primary factor in the extinction of the dinosaurs. This asteroid was about 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, the size of a small country, killed over 70% of all species on Earth. This impact is also responsible for the cooling of the planet and the potential onset of an ice age. There were no ice ages during this time period. The Earth was much warmer than it is now. Global temperatures were reasonably constant and warm at the period when the dinosaurs were alive. The onset of ice ages on Earth did not occur until millions of years after the dinosaurs went extinct. So where did the Chicxulub asteroid come from? New research suggests that the asteroid did not come from Earth's solar system. The Chicxulub impactor may have been a comet that originated in the Oort cloud, an enormous shell of frozen debris at the boundary of the solar system, which was knocked off course by Jupiter's gravitational field during orbit, according to researchers at Harvard University. This Oort cloud is 300 billion kilometers from our Sun and extends for 3 light-years. The researchers found that a carbonaceous chondrite, a form of meteorite that is uncommon among main belt asteroids, but probably more common among long-period comets, was found in the Chicxulub crater. In order to ascertain the makeup of the impactors, the researchers claim that their theory may be tested by looking more closely at other craters that are comparable to their own, including those on the Moon's surface. The comet was driven into a relatively near orbit around the Sun after bouncing off Jupiter's gravitational field. The comet was actually torn apart by the Sun's gravity throughout that orbit because it was being pulled apart more on its near side than its far side. Then, one of those pieces launched from its parent comet and eventually entered the atmosphere of Earth. The Chicxulub asteroid that caused the mass extinction of the dinosaurs is estimated to have been traveling at a velocity of about 12.4 kilometers per second, 27,900 miles per hour, when it impacted the Earth. It is thought that the huge, spherical Oort cloud, which surrounds our solar system, is home to billions of ice objects, including comets. It bears the name Jan Hendrik Oort after the Dutch astronomer who first hypothesized its existence in 1950. Long-period comets that travel through the inner solar system are thought to originate from the Oort cloud. It is thought that Jupiter, a gas giant, has a significant impact on the Oort cloud's structure. It is hypothesized that its gravitational pull is what propels comets from the Oort cloud into the inner solar system, where they can be seen from Earth. Furthermore, there is a greater chance that one of these particles will strike the Earth on the way back to the Oort cloud. Jupiter essentially functioned as a pinball machine, according to a news statement from Harvard. These oncoming long-period comets are propelled by Jupiter into orbits that bring them extremely near to the Sun. The Chicxulub asteroid impact is commonly thought to have had a significant role in the extinction of the dinosaurs as well as numerous other plant and animal species. The asteroid caused an impact winter, where the ashes of the asteroid caused sun rays to be unusable by Earth's cycle of life, making photosynthesis impossible. Small rodents and animals underground still survived due to its protection, however land animals that needed food did not survive. Decades later, mammals evolved into a variety of forms after the dinosaurs ceased to exist, including primates, which later gave rise to humans. The Earth's continents steadily drifted and merged over millions of years to form the supercontinent Pangaea, which persisted until it disintegrated once more into the continents we see today. The aftermath of the asteroid caused the evolution of blooming plants. During this time, flowering plants underwent an evolutionary change that altered the environment and created new habitats for animals. 2-ish million years later, the first, supposed, humans appeared on Earth after Chicxulub asteroid hit. Most intricate and extensively researched genomes in the animal kingdom is that of the human. Despite intensive study, the bulk of human DNA is still unknown. According to estimates, just 1% to 2% of our DNA actually codes for proteins, with the remainder being mainly unidentified and unique to our species. This makes many people wonder where this particular genetic code came from and what function it serves. The existence of 98% of non-coding DNA is one of the primary distinctions between human DNA and that of other species. Proteins cannot be coded for by non-coding DNA, which was previously assumed to be merely junk DNA with no purpose. Recent research has revealed that this non-coding DNA is actually very active and essential for managing cellular processes and gene expression. In reality, the human genome is a crucial part of our biology because it is thought that up to 80% of it may be engaged in controlling gene activity. The quantity of genetic mutations found in the human genome is another way that human DNA differs from that of other animals. All species experience mutations, but the human genome has a disproportionately high number of mutations that are specific to our species and may have contributed to our evolution and development. Although much study has been done, the full function of human DNA is still mostly unclear. Even while we have made great strides in our understanding of the genome and its function in life, there are still many unanswered questions. But as our knowledge of genetics and genomics grows, we could someday be able to fully realize the potential of human DNA and discover its mysteries. Now here is where it gets interesting. Because Earth has been mostly the same after asteroid hit, hence the dinosaurs existing from 252 to 66 million years ago, and numerous asteroids have hit Earth during the dinosaur age, why didn't unknown DNA form after the first cataclysm? Why is it that after the Chicxulub asteroid hit Earth, humans were created and evolved from monkey-like species? During the Silurian period, which spanned from 443 to 416 million years ago, alien life may have visited Earth, according to the theoretical astrobiology notion known as the Silurian hypothesis. According to the theory, this ancient extraterrestrial life may have influenced how Earth's evolution progressed, influencing the emergence of sophisticated life forms like plants, fish, and invertebrates. The universe has life, and the prerequisites for life may be widespread throughout the cosmos, according to the Silurian theory. If so, it's possible that life has evolved on other planets and that microbial life forms have been transferred across many celestial bodies through processes such as panspermia. According to the panspermia hypothesis, life may have come to Earth from alien sources and may also exist on other celestial bodies throughout the cosmos. According to the theory of panspermia, germs like bacteria and viruses could travel from one planet to another by processes like cometary impacts, meteorite impacts, asteroids moving through space, or even through the movement of other space objects. If panspermia is true, it would imply that life on Earth was transported to our planet from somewhere else in the universe rather than developing through just terrestrial processes. Our comprehension of the genesis and evolution of life would be significantly affected by this. As for the search for life beyond Earth. Crazy, right? In comparison to the amount of incomplete fossils that have been unearthed, the number of complete dinosaur fossils discovered is quite low. Because the conditions for preservation must be precisely right, complete dinosaur fossils, which are those that contain all or almost all of the bones of a single individual, are uncommon and challenging to uncover. Complete fossils are a rare and significant find since bones can be lost or damaged due to a variety of circumstances, including weathering, scavenging, and decay. While thousands of incomplete fossils have been recovered, it is expected that only a few number of complete dinosaur fossils have been located and characterized. This means we have only discovered about 0.00008% of the dinosaur population. Nevertheless, each entire dinosaur fossil contributes to our understanding of the anatomy and behavior of these extinct animals and to further our historical understanding of life on Earth. Now, if you actually think about it, humans were alive just over 300,000 years ago. If an asteroid hit Earth today, future researchers would find even less human fossils for them to know we even existed. Future scientists would be able to discover a variety of signs of human existence, including both physical and chemical markers, even if all living humans were exterminated. Future researchers might uncover some of the most significant traces of human civilization, such as our architecture and buildings, tools and weapons, fossil fuels, etc. But don't you think it's weird that we can leave behind such a vast array of what humans are like in the span of 300,000 years of evolution? While dinosaurs and other organisms roamed the Earth for millions of years and they are not as evolutionary advanced as us? Could the asteroid contain certain genes from a world outside of our solar system for its population to thrive because it got too far away? In our solar system, Mars was much wetter and warmer, and so was Venus. One of Jupiter's moons, Europa, was covered in salt water. Through time, so much of our solar system has changed, but the possibility of another planet in the Oort cloud sending us some, unknown, DNA that created humans from bacteria transportation in the asteroid is a little far-fetched, but it is a theory that scientists cannot debunk yet. There is still so much research needed to prove this properly, but these discoveries make it closer for humans to discover where we actually came from.
Hi guys, I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.